All of this phenomena is conducive to one fundamental metaphysical and phenomenological phenomena in reality, and that is what we call coincidences. I'm freaking killing it, yo. Hallelujah. Coincidences. Coincidences. What causes, and you have awareness, you have awakening, and enlightenment. Awareness comes first. Awareness always comes first. No exception, because coincidences, by definition, is a correlation between mutually exclusive events or scenario, or a correspondence in or an event, or an occurrence in time. Correspondence in event or occurrence in time, or correlation between mutually exclusive events or scenario, which means that these events or scenarios share no common denominator whatsoever. Coincidences.